Welcome to the Quick Reference Guide for the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation Media Asset Management System, or MAM. You should have already received an email containing the URL to access this site, as well as a personalized username and password. This is the main login screen where you can enter your username and password. And click the login button. Once logged in, you can see the main screen. There are several menu bars to choose from to perform different actions and access different areas on the site. The default is to the Collections tab. You'll see that you already have a help collection set up, which contains many useful guides and the photography and video agreement. I have also created a test collection called GOATS, which we will use to illustrate a few additional points later on in the presentation. The Folders tab is used only by the system administrator, but the Searches tab could prove very useful in your research. This tab contains pre-populated saved searches, like this one, the recommended saved search. It contains assets which have been previously used or recommended by the communications team and others. You can also create your own saved searches and collections. The Favorites tab contains your favorite collections. The Activity Manager is where you go to collect your asset downloads and or to monitor your email download links. Back in the Collections tab, we're going to take a look at the main viewing area, which is the central area. If you hover over any image, it will give you an enlargement with a few bits of metadata or information, the year, country, and asset rating. If you'd like to view these images larger in the main viewing area, you can do so by using the Size menu up here. You can even view things very large. You can change the view entirely from Gallery View, which is the default, to Summary View, which is more like a list. And within this, you can also change the size of the preview image. I prefer medium-size Gallery View. By double-clicking on any image, it will bring you to the Detail View. In Detail View, you can see the metadata over here on the right-hand side, where you can access information like the caption, the credit, keywords, the year, and so forth. By using this back button, you will be brought back to the original results. Clicking on Filter Options gives you some filters which you can use to narrow down the assets in your collection. Let's narrow these down by creator name. I have decided that I only want to see the goats that were created by Natalie Bertrams, so I'm clicking on her name, and we can see those goats here. What great goats!